welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very traditional horchata agua fresca. Yes, and I know you guys are going to love it, and it is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready our simple syrup. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We're gonna leave it here, let it boil until the water turns slightly yellow. Then turn it off and let it come to room temperature. And now the best part, adding all the milk. I am adding 1 evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. And with this little spatula, I am not going to leave anything behind. I'm getting all the condensed milk out of this can. And then, of course, I'm going to add 1 cup of simple syrup. I'm going to mix it very well, incorporate the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and the simple syrup. And now 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could add vanilla extract. But let me tell you, the vanilla paste really gives the horchata such a delicious and amazing flavor. And here we're going to incorporate all these ingredients. It really doesn't take too long to make a very traditional horchata at home. When you make it my way, you're going to see all those little specks of the vanilla paste. Look at this. And now we're going to continue with the rice. Always use 1 cup of rice and 1 stick of cinnamon. Remember, always hydrate it 2 or 3 hours before you make your horchata. So here I have it with about 2 cups of water. And you could notice that the water is so penetrated of the cinnamon that even it changed color. It's a little light brown. You need to let it rest. You need to let the rice really soak in all those flavors and bloom. So here I am going to add everything into my NutriBullet. I'm going to add some more water and I am ready to blend. Look how easy it is to enjoy a very traditional Mexican horchata made at home with lots of love. Here we're going to add some purified water and then we're going to close and we're going to blend. This is so easy, but yet the flavor is so amazing. And now let's blend it really good for a couple of minutes. After this is nice and blended, we're going to put it through a sifter. Let me show you. We're going to bring that glass cup back into the scene. And now we're going to put our filter and we're going to filter all this amazing and delicious ingredients. Of course, in my blender cup, I'm going to add a little more water to get all those pieces of the cinnamon and the rice. We don't want to waste none of that goodness. And here we're just going to mix and get all that liquid out. And of course, don't throw this away. Put it in your garden, put it in your dirt. And now look at this. This horchata is ready to enjoy. Of course, add it to a lot of ice. Enjoy it nice and cold. And the flavor, it's so intense. With these ingredients, you're going to make 1 liter of horchata. So here, This is nice and thick, nice and creamy. And now I'm going to transfer to my pitcher. On my pitcher, I'm going to add 3 to 4 cups of just water, purified water. And then I'm going to start adding the horchata mixture. Look at this. This horchata comes out so creamy, nice and thick. And the flavor, the combination of the cinnamon, rice, and vanilla paste, just perfection made at home. Look, so many bubbles on the top. It's really creamy and delicious. And of course, I didn't add any ice because I don't want to dilute it. All my family comes much later, and I don't want to dilute this horchata. And now for the best part, I have my glass full of ice with 1 stick of cinnamon, and I am ready to pour the amazing and creamy horchata. Look at this. This horchata always comes out perfect and delicious, and the flavor is so unique and delicious that once you make it, you are going to continue enjoying it. Of course, I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon right on the top. And this is how you enjoy a very traditional Mexican horchata. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Mexican horchata made of rice and cinnamon. Nice and creamy and delicious. And of course, I didn't add any ice to my pitcher because my family comes later. And I don't want to dilute the agua fresca. Let me tell you, I added a lot of ice and then I added a little bit of cinnamon right on the top. Let's see how this agua fresca came out. Excuse me. It came out perfect for this hot weather. Let me tell you, make it, enjoy it. It's nice and creamy. It's a agua fresca of horchata. If you like and love this amazing agua fresca, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say and see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing homemade horchata. See you soon. Bye-bye.